Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have an HP 280 silent mouse, wireless mouse, and I absolutely had to get one of these. Let me just open this little adhesive tape on each side so I can open it completely up. So that is the packaging. So it comes with an Energizer Max battery. Awesome. And then this is your mouse. And it's got a bunch of directions in the box as well. But I primarily got this because sometimes I have people help me in the studio and they are behind the scenes, and this mouse, you can hear that clicking. This mouse, it is basically practically silent. You can kind of hear it, but let's do a side by side. So that is a lot more pronounced. And I have a sound meter that I'm like looking at here. So let's let that die down. And the microphone, it did, like on my sound meter, it's kind of hard to show, but on my sound meter it shows 2 bars that it jumps up when I'm doing this click versus a left or a right click. It's barely, I can barely hear it. Microphone might pick it up a little bit more, but anyway, pretty cool mouse. And you pop this open here, and then that is going to be where you have your USB dongle that you plug into your computer, and then you plug in your battery. And like I said, it comes with an Energizer battery, so that's pretty neat. And then just kind of tilt that forward and then push that down into place. So very easy to open, to change your battery, all right there, nice and easy. Like I said, that's your dongle, so when you're done, like if you're using it for your laptop, you can have that rest in here. Put this back on, and good to go. And then this is your on switch here. It'll turn that on so you can kind of see how that reacts. Turn that off. Perfect for your laptop. I'm going to go hook this up. But yeah, Brian from Garage Mall. Thanks for watching, and be safe and silent out there.